Hello folks, welcome back to the channel, Fix It with FC. Now today's project is, I've been told that this Toro Recycler with a Briggs & Stratton engine, it's a 22 inch, is pulsating and running extremely rough. So we got a few things we can do, and this is what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to check the air filter, then I'm going to check the spark plug, then I'm going to check the carburetor to see if there's any gunk in there or any of the jets are messed up. And then finally, I'll just have to drain the gas tank, take the gas tank off and drain it and clean out that if we have to go that far. But to me, it sounds like air filter or spark plug. Now let's get down to it. Now, okay, before we get started, a little tech tip, or just the way I do it. Now, some people might consider this overkill because I'm not working underneath the lawnmower, but you never know when you might just decide to check the blade or anything under the lawnmower and bad things can happen. Now, this is what I do religiously. I cut this little piece of PEX. Okay, and what I do, just take this off, put it on, and I don't worry about that. And maybe overkill, I stick this on here, and I'm not going to have any kind of an accident. Leave a comment. What do you do? Okay, the first thing we're going to do is check the air filter, and we'll proceed from there. We're going to start it up, and that's located on the right side, guys. Oops. Yep. Someone hasn't changed their air filter in a while, and this could be causing the problem. Look at that. Jeez. What the heck happened here? It's just sucking up everything. Now, you could, if you wanted to and you didn't have access to a clean filter, you could just blow this out and it would probably be okay, because you could see how much came out of there. This was probably the problem. But we got a new filter, so we might as well put it in. Doesn't hurt. Now, which way does it go in? Well, right now, if you can see it, it says up, and this goes out. Just put it simply in there. Push it up and screw it in. Now, let's put the spark plug back. And let's start it up and see if it solved our problem, folks. Okay, I think that was our problem, guys. I am going to continue, put a spark plug in, check the gas, maybe look at the carburetor, but the problem has been solved. So change your air filter. If you take care of these Toros, recyclers, they'll last you forever. I'll see you on my next video.